on, darling. Careful, ha? Easy lang. What? Oh my God, it's so hot here.
No, it's normal. Sun in the Philippines, man. Normal hot.
I lose my beauty now.
No. Still smooth and sexy, oh. Come on, we're almost there.
I'm so tired now.
No, we're almost there. Come here.
Ano, wala pa ba?
Wala pa kuya. Siguro baka may na yung lumakad.
Baka nga. Tagal na.
Maganda ba yun, kuya?
Hindi ko nakita. Pero sabi nila, kamukha daw ni Taylor Swift. What? Yung puti yung buhok. Asa, hintayin lang natin.
Sige.
Dito muna ako.
Darling, it's too deep. Help me.
Careful, darling. It's very ocean deep. Careful. That's. By the way, darling, we're almost at the house, and I have a surprise for you. Do you want surprise, darling?
Yes, darling.
Okay. Close your eyes, darling. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay. Walking and walking, darling. Walking and walking. Walking and walking, darling.
Ayun na sila! Bilisan nyo! Ayun na! Bilis! Bilisan nyo!
Kuya, talaga bang foreigner yung shoota ni kuya? Teka, bakit ang itim ng balat?
Okay, maingay. Baka marinig tayo. Siguro palagi lang yung pumupunta sa beach.
Slowly, but surely. Surprise! Wow! Look, darling, oh.
Oh, the house is so beautiful,
Of
darling.
course, darling.
Thank you.
That's enough, darling. That's enough. By the way, darling, these are all my siblings. My brothers and my sister. My brothers, sister, bless kayo. Bless kayo. Yan.
Very cute.
Of course.
Cute. Very, very, very cute.
Okay, darling. That's enough. Let's go inside. Come here. Let's go inside, darling.
Ang pangit.
Come on.
Ba't ganun? Hindi tayo pinapasok ni Kuya.
Aba, malay ko kuya.
You're mine.
Ano? Payag ba kayo makatuluyan ni Kuya yan? Pangit to. Pero, gagawa tayo ng paraan para mapalayas natin yun dito. Hindi tayo papayag.
Kuya,
Ganito.
mukhang hindi din babae. Mukhang bakla.
Oo nga. Pero ganito ang gagawin natin.
Darling, stop.
Why, darling?
Where's the comfort room?
Comfort room?
Yes.
Over there, darling. Hey, come here. Follow me. Come here. Hey, darling, oh. My comfort room.
This is our comfort room.
Yes. You can enter now. Yes. Anong ginagawa niya dyan, ha?
Kuya, pasensya ka na Kuya. Asan yung partner mo?
Ako, nandun. Sa CR. Bakla.
Kuya, bakla.
Hi, darling. What? Let's continue our happiness. What happened?
Who are you?
What?
Sino ka?
Ilan ka? Ilan ako? Action!
Uy, kuya.
blanco na kuya.
Action!
Come on, darling.
Slowly. Only haircut.
It's normal. We're here in the Philippines. It's the sun in the Philippines. It's hot. Ay! Darling, careful!
I'll lose my beauty now.
No, man. Oh. Still, soft, sexy. Come here. We're almost there at the house.